I'm in the workshop and I'm going to show you, I'm going to give you a little bit of background about these beasts here from the late 90s. But before I do, this one is for Ian. Our friend Ian has ordered some 2960s from us. And as you can see, they've been beautifully refurbished and sprayed. They look like new. Yes, so they are at boxing stage, and as you can see, so these are the accessory boxes, and inside of there there'll be a little bag with a rack mount kit and the power cable. Here we've got some more here. I think these are for Ian as well, aren't they, Lou? Same order? Yeah. Okay, so hopefully Ian will be very happy with those, and tell all his friends to send us some inquiries for some, well, he can just show everybody what refurbished Cisco can look like. But anyway, right. Okay, so on to this little classic here. Okay, what we have got here. So these are universal access servers. That's what AS stands for. Access server AS5300. That one is the AS5400. That's the AS5300. And as you can see, the 5300's got 1, 2, 3 card slots, and the AS5400 has 7. This AS5400, it's actually based on the old AS5300. It's exactly the same chassis. So a little bit of history. Okay, so the AS5200 came out in 1996, and I remember it. Oh my God, I'm showing my age. AS5300 in 1998, and then the AS5400 came out in 2000, and then the XM, which is this model, and the AS5350XM, which is the smaller model, they both came out in 2006. And right, okay, so what did they do? Yes, okay, so they were dense gateways for up to, well, thousands of users to connect via dial-up or ISDN. And basically what they did is they'll convert an analog signal into a digital signal. The reason why these lasted so long is because they were very good at handling poor quality data coming down poor quality telephone lines, and that's why there are these still out there in some countries. Yeah, so what cards could you have? You could have a 60 digital modem module, a 108 digital modem module, a 2-port PRI, a 4-port PRI, that's this one. This is the 8-port. You see it's got the little serial connector in there. And also you could have CT3 modules. There you go, there's a CT3 modules. During transit, look, you can see, look, these things get bent really easily. But I suppose there was no other way to come up with a design that could withstand a little bit of poor handling in transit. But anyway, there you go. The AS5300, AS5400. We're not going to scrap those just yet. So we'll keep them for spares. Yeah. So there you go. Anyway, must go. See you on the next one. Bye.